Imagine we are a bird in flight. Our wings are hollow. Our minds are free. The weight of the world is gone. The only thing is the night, the wind, and nothing else. Are you there yet? Flight is hard at times, but the wings will listen if you give them a chance. Ah, there you are. Now we are together. Let's see what comes next. There is a mountain. Almost at the top, there is a sharp edge that stands out among the shadow of this mountain. Perhaps it is a scar. To stay in flight, think of it as a scar in your memory that you now hover above, and you know eventually it will heal. On the edge of this scar is a bonfire. Imagine our silent wings cutting through the night air as we see the firelight from a mile away. We grow close. We can see that the fire lights up the whole mountainside. A spark stands for our tired wings, perhaps. Flames and sparks dancing into the night. We can see a lone figure dancing around it. There is no music. There is no shadow. There is only dancing. There is only this fire. There is a silence with our wings. Imagine where this flight takes us next.